This one is going to be quick. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do the feathered eyebrows. I mean, this is such a trend, and also I think it looks so nice when it, you know, lifts up your eye, especially with a hooded eye. Since it's all droopy, I think this feathered eyebrow look is really good. I liked it, so I'm going to show you how I do it. And yeah, hopefully it's quick and easy now and not too lengthy like my other videos. But yeah, so I just applied foundation, some compact and a little lip. So that's why I have a lot of product on my eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is first, always, which I almost forget all the time, clean my eyebrows before I do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some tissue, put some water in it, and just remove the product. Yeah, see, this much of product is in it. It's always good to clean so that there's not too much of build-up on your eyebrows. My eyebrows are to be done next week. I think it's pretty okay now. Now there's only little ingrowths. Now let's start shaping it. The first thing I do is I use a thin eyebrow pencil so that I give it a nice defined outline. So I'm taking this one from M.A.C in the shade Stud and just outlining it like these edges, same thing here. Yeah, just outlining my eyebrows. Now I'm going to take another eyebrow pencil which is from Innisfree in the shade, I forgot the shade name, but I'll put it down in the description. It comes like this. So what I do is I just fill in my eyebrows with this very lightly, okay, because feathered eyebrows require very less, wow, this hair coloring of your eyebrows. So now the trick, the main part of your feathered eyebrows is this. I know, right? I mean, I have seen somebody use this to give that feathered look, so I thought I should try it, and I've tried it and it stays all day, doesn't move at all. I mean, you don't need any gel as such. So I used to use this and the eyebrows did move around a bit, so I started using this. So this is the Pears soap. Funny, right? I put some water like this little, and then take a spoolie or any old eyeshadow mascara brush that you have, or you get this actually in M.A.C. They just gave me because I wanted to buy some mascara there anyways. I'm going to just rub it like this, get some product on the brush like this, not too much because otherwise it's going to look white. And then I am going to start feathering it like this. So what I do is half of the spoolie I put the product, the other half I don't, so that I know how to balance. If there's too much product, then I'll just turn it over and remove the excess like that. And you know what, a Pears actually gives you that perfume scent, so your face is gonna smell of Pears a little bit. You can either cut this excess off, you can leave it like this, or what you can do is just when it's not dried up, you can just push it down like this so that it doesn't look overgrown. And this side also, just very lightly, because you want that feathered look to be seen here. Very nice. See, look at the difference. I mean, it is a trend and it gives you that lifted look, so I think it's great. I'm gonna do the same thing here. That is it. So this is how it looks. I am so happy. I love it. It looks so feathered and gives you that lift. Yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you in my next. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in my next. Bye.